The derby will be played at the Nyayo National Stadium, Nairobi, on the 14th day of May, 2023 at 3 o'clock. This will be the FKF Premier League round match number 30, round 30, match number 269, and Mahia Football Club will be the home team. Live coverage. We have been informed, or we are advised, that the FKF has secured a short-term broadcasting sponsorship contract with Azam Media Limited for the FKF Premier League round 30 matches. Accordingly, Azam Sports will broadcast the derby live on both Azam TV and Azam online platforms. Each of the 18 FKF Premier League clubs will receive payment of shillings 300,000 coming from the contract between FKF and Azam Media Limited. Gate charges and sale of tickets. Entry to the VVIP will be free for the identified VVIPs. Charges for the VIP stand shall be Kenya shillings 500 per person, and for the terraces will be shillings 200 per person. Ticket sales will commence at 9 a.m. on the day of the match at the following venues: Riadha House, Kenya Cinema, City Stadium, and the Green Rose Restaurant area opposite the Nyayo Police Post entrance. The gates will open at 10 a.m.